Does the birthday girl want a special treat? You want a special treat? You want puppy ice cream? Yeah. Oh boy.
What this is? Sit. Good boy. Good boys. Good boy. Oh. Good boy. Athena, what are you doing, girl?
What are you doing?
Phim lầu á.
Bath time.
Phim lầu á. Hey Chris, are you taking a nap? Hey. Do you look like that?
Come on. Come here. Good girl. What a good girl. Come on. Come on. You're okay. Come on. Come on. You can swim. You can swim.
What's up, Pito? Poor baby.
Hey, sir. Good girl.
I thought you were talking about the dog. I was like, what did she do?
Speak. What are you doing? You're naughty. You're naughty puppy. You're naughty. Piglet! Hey, bud.
House Speaker Paul Ryan says he doesn't believe in separating families, but that he wants to keep America's borders strong.
We made it extremely clear.
Good. Yes. Licks only. No. Hey. 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 Hey, little Wallace. Hey, little Wallace, so sad. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Look, baby girl, what? What? How凶啊
What is that? What is it? You like it? Of course you would like it. He likes it. Do you want more?
Delilah, no, don't come after me. Good boy, good boy.
Andy, let's go. Zandy, let's go.